everyone, welcome to my channel Hathal Beauty Studio. Today's video about nighttime skincare routine and what I do personally. Product that I'm using, I will go over all the way at the end that what are the products that I have used in this entire video. First thing first, I already clean and wash my face with the cleaning face wash, and after that I'm using the toner. As you can see, I'm applying the toner all over on my face. Toner is actually a key, no matter is it the morning routine or the night routine, but toner it must be. Cotton ball to apply the toner. I'm waiting for drying that up. Once it's dry, I will go to the next step, which is vitamin C oil. With the dropper help, I'm gonna put all over my face and using my fingertip to gently massage it. Once I sprayed all the oil all over on my face, after that I'm gonna start to do gently massage, and you will see how I'm doing the massage. That I do every single night, not necessary that it required, but it helped me out, and at the end you will see that if you're doing it in a continuously basis, you will see the difference on your face as well. Trust me, it did not take that long, barely 5 minutes. I think we can take 5 minutes, right? I know sometimes we say that we don't have time, it's take too much time and all that kind of stuff, but think about it, this 5 minutes will help you a lot. And in our human nature, it's take only 21 days to make any of the habit. Whatever it is, if you start doing something and if you're continuously doing for 21 days, it will convert in a habit. And if you stop doing it, you will be feeling like, oh, I missed something. Try it. Here the next step is aloe vera gel. I'm using the one from Patanjali. I like this one. Following the same process, using my fingertip and applying aloe vera gel all over on my face. Once I apply and cover all my face, then I'm start to doing gently massage. Same step as how I was following for vitamin C oil. And if you're looking carefully, I'm making all the stroke upwards from bottom to top. That help you lift your skin up. Using moisturizer, of course. Same thing again, using my moisturizer and following the same step that what I was following previously. Covering my face with all the cream first and then gently massage, same as previously. Time I'm using the nighttime cream, but you can use whatever moisturizer that you are comfortable with. I also keep changing my moisturizer. I don't keep only one. All other things I do keep the same. Only the moisturizer I'm keep changing. And here you go. About products, I have Clinique face wash, that's liquid facial soap mild. I have Thayer's facial toner. From Shea moisture, I have Papaya and vitamin C oil, Aloevera gel from Patanjali, and moisturizer from Clinique. Please try and comment me how you like it, and subscribe my channel. Bye.